have coconuts oil. Not too much, just a little bit.
Yeah.
Season the fish with salt.
Yeah.
I want to keep it simple, guys. I want to keep it simple. Black pepper. I just put them inside already because I need space. Like I said, I'm just making it back food. We call it back, fast. Fast. That's what I call it. Garlic. Paprika. Black pepper. Salt. Curry. So the fish is not fully cooked. The fish is not fully cooked. I just quickly make the fish so that it will get broken when I put it inside. I don't want to put it so fresh. Okay. So I'm going to put the fish back. What are you doing here now? Hey, what did I say about you people should watch for him?
Mommy,
I don't want to hear your
I
voice.
was-
I don't.
Mommy,
Ay, ay, ay.
cute.
Mhm.
Ta-da, photo. Photo, photo, photo. What's this?
Everyone bring me a plate for me, a flat plate so we don't this piece. Hurry up. Liam.
Hold on.
And that's it.
Warum nur ich? Du kannst auch was machen.
Simple. Simple and delicious. I didn't even have time to post the one that I made with them actually, but I didn't cook. I didn't show the cooking. I only show that I only show when I was sharing the food, and I know you people are gonna be like asking, how did you make it? How did you make it? Yeah. You know that whenever I'm talking, I like to talk and no interaction. When you finish eating, you go and wash up. Or you go and wash up. Food is ready. No, food is ready. Go and wash your hands. Everybody go and wash your hands. Food is ready. Guys, look at that. Ooh. Juicy. Juicy. See it? How's it? Just wanted you guys to see it. Food is ready. Into your plates. Simple but delicious. We call it ba ba ba. Ba 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 food. Hmm?
If I'm going to Chinese restaurant.
When you start working.